We're back on Crispy Critter again today. We got all of our corroded chrome pieces off, the transmission top cover, the side cover, and cam chest cover, also the primary cover over there too. The chrome on it, let's show them the chrome real quick, is in horrible shape. Like the worst I've ever seen. And it can't be powder coated, and I don't want to spend $400 or $500 trying to get all new chrome pieces for it. But this stuff is just, it's just coming apart. So what we're gonna do, I got a couple of tools here. I got some kind of sanding bobber thing and a steel, what is this thing called?
Steel brush.
Little steel brush thingy. So I can try to knock off all the old chrome and some of that corrosion and stuff on there. And then we're gonna go over it with our VHT, the wrinkle paint, the high temp wrinkle paint, and see how it turns out. I've done it before, it's been a while, but anything's gonna look better than what we got. And I don't want to spend all, like I said, I don't want to spend all that money to get new stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it right now. And also, we still have our battery box that came out. You can see where the fire was. It burned all the paint off of it, and it's got some surface rust on it. Also right here, I'm gonna go ahead and go over with a steel brush. Probably take all this stuff off and get out of my way, the fender, the saddlebag supports and stuff like that, but knock all that down and get it painted so that it looks fresh again, and also to keep it from rusting anymore too. So we'll do that this episode. Okay, we got all the rough parts of the chrome knocked off. I used this steel brush and this little sanding pad thing. That worked pretty good on the real rough spots. The primary had a bunch of spray paint or plastic dip or something. I had some plastic dip remover laying around. Whatever was on there, it took it off pretty good. Then I went over all the stuff with Scotch-Brite pad and then acetone to get any wax and grease left off of there. So on the rocker covers, on this one there's two gasket surfaces, so I'm just gonna put tape on this, and I'll take a razor and go along the edges on it, and the other stuff's facing down so the gasket surface won't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim up my tape on this and get it outside and get them painted. Say to do a horizontal spray, a vertical spray, and a diagonal spray, and it said to do heavy coats, so that's what we're going to do. it dry and come back and do another coat. While we're waiting on the first coat of paint to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start scuffing up this battery tray and knock the rust off of it and stuff. Nobody's going to see it, but I do want it to look good and not keep on rusting like that, so we'll get a fresh coat of paint on it. I'm gonna go ahead and zip off the back of this, get these saddlebag supports off, get the fender off, just so I can get to this stuff easier, and it'll be easier to put our swing arm back in there and stuff too. And I might be swapping this stuff out anyway. Somebody spray painted it too, like the rest of the dang bike, but I don't know. I may or may not. These are the little bushings that the side cover sticks into. They're crispy. They're extra crispy. So we'll get those out of there. Alright, that should be pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, it's a little rough right there. I don't even know if that's from the fire or not, but I'll go ahead and lay some paint over it. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it down with some acetone. don't know if that's the right stuff to use, but that's what I have.
Primer.
A little bit of primer on there. And it doesn't matter if we get paint on all this stuff because I have a new circuit breaker and stuff with the harness, the used harness that I bought.